Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Don't forget to subscribe!
Have you ever seen a robot dance or build a car and wondered, how does it know how to do that? Is it magic? Nope. Robots are amazing, but they actually can't think for themselves at all. Inside every robot is a computer brain, but it starts out totally empty. Without instructions, even the strongest robot is just a statue made of metal and wires. It needs a human to be the boss.
To talk to a robot, we use a special language called code. It's like writing a secret message that turns our words into electric signals. This code tells the robot exactly which motor to move and when.
Think of code like a recipe for baking a cake. If you skip a step, the cake is ruined. Programmers have to write perfect step-by-step lists so the robot doesn't get confused and put the eggs in the oven without the flour.
Robots also use sensors to know what is happening around them. These are like super-powered eyes and ears. The sensors send messages to the computer brain, saying things like, "Hey, there is a wall in front of us." We teach robots using simple rules called if-then statements. For example, we tell the robot, if you see a wall, then turn left. It's just like playing a game of Simon Says with a computer. But be careful. If the human writes the wrong code, the robot makes a mistake called a bug. The robot might walk in circles or pour juice on the floor because it's only doing exactly what you told it to do.
The best part is you can learn to speak robot too. By learning to code, you can become the commander, telling robots how to explore Mars, play games, or maybe even clean up your room one day.